strong flavor
Yeah.
that regular hummus usually has.
You gonna roll over? You're so silly. Are you gonna roll over?
You can do it.
Come on. Too tired? Are you singing? Come on, come on. Come on. You got it, you got it. Good girl.